Hey guys, welcome back to Manicure Custom Guitars. And today I'm going to start the great guitar build of 2021. And to be precise, I'm going to start working with the neck. So let's hit the intro and we can begin. As I mentioned, I'm going to start working with the neck blank. For every new build that I do, I always start working with the neck. So when the time comes to do the neck pocket on the body, I will have the neck to precise fit the pocket. And that's why I like always to start producing the neck. Now, originally I was going to build a neck blank for this particular build, but to my surprise, I found a blank ready in my stash, and that was very convenient, to be honest. Now, as you can see, this is the blank that I'm using. It's already had some work done on it. For example, it has these 4 pieces of wood glued to its side. These are very helpful for the location of the blank on my CNC. And yes, for this build, I'm going to use my CNC. Regular viewers of this channel knows that I regularly use my CNC for my builds, but some new viewers, especially who follows the Great Guitar Build-Up, might not know that I use a CNC, and some of you might be even triggered with this situation. But that's how I roll with my guitars. As I said, I glued these 4 pieces of wood to the side of the blank in order to drill these holes. These are here so I can align the blank precisely on the bed. The CNC bed has the same precise holes, and I can easily put the blank down on the bed and homing the CNC at the edge of where I want the neck to start. And if I want, when I want to machine something at the back, I can easily remove the pins, flip the blank, install the pins again, and the homing point of the CNC, it will always be at the center line of the neck, just that will be on the back side, not on the top side. So yeah, that's why I have these 4 pieces of scrap glued together. In the footage, you will see one piece missing, which is this one, I think, that broke off while clamping it. It wasn't an important thing because I still have 3 other holes, but I still glued it there so I can clamp this edge of the blank. Starting out with machining, first thing on the agenda is to do the channel of the truss rod. This is a 2 operation. First of all, there is the channel itself. I'm using a 6mm router bit. In fact, the truss rod that I use is a 6mm wide and 9mm deep. Usually I'll go 9.2 deep on the cut to accommodate for the tolerances and some wear and tear of the machine. And the second operation is for the, I like to say it, the entry of the truss rod. This is where this is where you adjust the truss rod with the Allen wrench. It's not a straight machining, it's like a slope, and when the headstock is thickness, it will leave just a small area for the entry of the Allen wrench. After that, I can easily flip the blank and machine some features at the back. Mainly are the holes for the tuners and holes for the threaded insert. I machined a little feature for the headstock. This is like a small pocket, but at the end it will be hollow throughout the thickness of the headstock. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. In the next episode, I will be dealing with the truss rod, gluing the fretboard, and sort out the inlay for the 12th fret. I won't be having any fret markers. I just going to do a nice piece of custom inlay on the 12th. All I want to say is that since it's going to be made in Malta, it's going to feature something Maltese, but I'm not going to spoil any surprises. If you're new to this channel, if you're enjoying my content, please I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be aware about my future releases. I'll do CNC and guitar building content. Guys, to the new subscribers and to the old ones, take care and goodbye.